How to add meta tags in GoDaddy website builder. Looking to improve your website's SEO, adding meta tags in GoDaddy website builder is a simple but important step to help search engine understand your site better. Let's go through the process step by step. First thing first, go to www.godaddy.com and sign in. Once you are in, go to my products and you will be taken to this type of interface which we call dashboard. Now on your left hand side you can see a list of options. From the option, go to website, which is over here. Simply tap on it, then scroll down and go to edit website, which is over here. Tap on it. That will take you to the edit site page, and this is how it look like. Now on your top right corner you can see an option for the setting or a gear icon. Simply tap on it and that will open up your few options. For the meta tags you can use 3 options. First one is get found on Google, which we also call SEO. Over here you can select the page which you want to optimize and add a meta title. For example, I do have 4 pages over here. Let's tap on shop. Then in a meta title section, enter a short keyword with title that accurately describes the page, and in the meta description over here write a brief summary of the page contents including the relevance keyword. For the description you can add something like discover premium organic skincare products made with natural ingredients for healthy glowing skin. And after adding your meta tags, simply tap on done, which is over here. Tap on it. Now your meta tags is added. And I also said there's other 2 options, that is Facebook meta tags and Pinterest meta tags. So in order to add a Facebook meta tag, what you have to do is simply go to it, then you have to claim your website on Facebook. Tap on get code, which is over here. That will open up this page where you have to log into your account and it gives you a code, and once you get the code, simply go to over here and paste it over here, and that will make your Facebook meta tag. Similarly, same goes for the Pinterest meta tag. Simply tap on it, then it will send the code, then claim your website in the Pinterest, get the code and copy paste over here. Then you can see done or something that will confirm your meta tag. And that's how you can add meta tags in GoDaddy website builder. And now your website is better optimized for search engine. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.